Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and today I'm kind of excited about what we're going to cook because it's a special request. One of the crazy kids, Bryson, has requested us to make a bacon, sausage, egg, and cheese wrap on the Blackstone. And guess what? I'm going to do it. And you know, this ain't got to be just for breakfast. You can make these for lunch, dinner, snacks, whatever. It don't matter. You can bake them however you want. But today, that's the way he requested, so guess what he's going to do? He's going to get it. But before we get started, hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, ring that bell notification, hit the thumbs up, and leave us a comment down below. Would love to know if you're new here, and would love to give you a huge welcome here. If you've been here, thank you so much. We're growing, and I love each and every one of you for all the support you've been showing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. One more thing, we're on TikTok. I ain't doing all that crazy dancing yet. Who knows? It may happen one day, but right now I'm just doing the cooking, So go check us out, Cooking with Crazy Pop, over on TikTok. We got a little over 38,000 followers right now, and we're growing pretty quick over there also. We're having a great time, so we'd love to have you at both places, here and over there. We'd love to see you both on both places. So with that being said, let's fire this griddle up. Let's show you some groceries, and let's get to cooking. All right, let's get this thing fired up, y'all. Now I'm gonna go with these 3 burners. You know, I like to leave this one off a good bit, and I have had to leave it off, to slide cooler things over or just keep things warm, so that's what we're gonna do. But right now, y'all, I'm going all the way down to low. And if we adjust, I'll let you know. Here's our groceries, y'all. We got some large flour tortillas. I got some Kobe Jack cheese back there. We got some eggs. We got some sausage. And I got 1 pack of thick cut hickory smoked bacon. And y'all, I'm gonna do some seasoning with some of the breakfast blend back there. That's some really good stuff. And y'all, that's it. All right, y'all, the griddle is ready. That means one thing. Let's get some groceries on the griddle. Let's start off with our bacon. Like I said, I've already cut it up into pieces, because that's how Bryson said he wants it. So we're just gonna toss it on the griddle and get all them pieces going. Y'all, I don't care what time of day it is, I love the smell of bacon cooking. And I do believe that if you're having a bad day, just cook some bacon. It'll make it better. Few more pieces, y'all. There we go. Okay, the bacon's on. We're gonna let that get started a little bit. We're probably gonna throw some sausage on here and get everything cooking. But right now, this bacon's going and it's smelling oh so good. That right there can make any bad day better. I promise you. All right, y'all, some of this bacon's getting doner, is that a word? Quicker than others. So we're gonna move some around, get everything cooking evenly. We're gonna be eating. So just move stuff around as you need to, whatever. You see there is a difference, so. And that's fine, that's just what happens. That's the way griddles cook. Now one thing about it, you ain't gotta make pretty bacon, because ugly bacon tastes good too. So just move your pieces around as you see need to until the bacon's done to your liking. Because see, some of this we can go ahead and move over because, like I said, this side's off, but it's warm, so a lot of it will continue to kind of keep cooking over here. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of pile this up now, kind of move it over just a little bit, because a lot of that bacon is almost done. Kind of spread it back out right here. Now while that bacon is finishing up, let's throw some sausage on here now. Y'all, there ain't no good way of doing that. There just ain't. Other than just plop it down on there. Now with this sausage, we ain't making patties. We gonna just chop it up. You see me use this every now and then. I'm gonna tell you what. One thing you need, when you got, of course, several things you need if you got a griddle. You need spatulas, but get you a good griddle scraper, and it's great to cook with. It really is. It's good to move food around, chop stuff up, and scrape your griddle. Tell you what, if your morning starts off smelling like this, the bacon and the sausage, you're gonna have a good day. Let's let that sausage cook now. like so. Come in here and kind of stir up our bacon just a little bit. You see it's getting pretty good and done now. Now Bryson don't like them real fatty pieces. He likes crispy bacon. So we're gonna let some of this crisp up just a little bit more. So sausage on, bacon's on, won't be long. We're gonna be eating something. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right now. This sausage and this bacon. Oh, it smells so good. Stir our sausage up here. Now, it don't take this sausage as long to cook it all. That's the reason we didn't put it on there with the bacon. The bacon actually takes a little bit longer. And I did cook everything on low because I want all that fat to kind of render out. We're going to use some of that to cook them eggs in. Let's get the sausage over here, y'all, and some of that bacon grease. As you see, the sausage didn't take long at all. So we're ready to go ahead and move it over also, and let's cook some eggs. So slide all our sausage over here to the side. Now, one thing I've learned about eggs, and I learned it from Blackstone Betty, is you don't want a hot griddle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut these middle two burners off and only leave the side one on. Because as you see, it is smoking a little bit in here. So we're gonna let the griddle cool down just a little bit. Throw these eggs on there and cook them up just perfect. Let's go ahead and pour eggs on here. Just pour slow. Because I don't want them to go everywhere at one time. We're just gonna kind of fold them. There we go. And from here, we'll just kind of fold them up, fold them over. We'll throw a little Blackstone breakfast seasoning on them also, y'all. Make them things right. That's what I want right there, cook slow. Bacon's done, sausage done, eggs done. It's time to make some wraps. Let's slide our eggs over, y'all. Get them done. Now this griddle is still warm, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and throw a couple of these down here, let them be heating up, kind of make them more pliable. Plop them down like that. And now we're not really trying to cook them or brown them, we're just trying to heat them up. Give them a flip real quick, y'all. So we're just trying to heat them up just a little bit. I need to get me one of the tortilla warmers where I can heat a bunch of these up at one time, put them in that warmer, and just take them out and make them as I need to. All right, y'all, these things are warm. Let's put them on a cutting board here so we can work with them. Let's see, what we're gonna put down first, y'all. I think I'm gonna put down some egg. Just a little bit of egg first with some of this sausage. A bit more egg, I think, a little more egg. Let's see, some sausage. Just put some sausage in here. Of course, some bacon. He said he wanted chopped up bacon in his, so let's put some chopped up bacon in there. And cheese, you gotta have cheese, so let's do our cheese here like that. Make it good and cheesy. Now, from here, I'm gonna wrap it, kind of wrap it like a burrito. I don't know what the difference is between a burrito and a wrap, but this is what I'm gonna do. Like so. Let's make one more. Now, honestly, if it was just me eating these, I'd throw some jalapenos in there too. Let's wrap you up. Like so. And there you go, y'all. They ain't the prettiest, but I'll tell you what, they are gonna be good. What y'all think about those wraps? Let's go find the crazy kid and let's go see if we can eat. Well, I found the crazy kid who wanted these. This is what you wanted, right? Bacon, sausage, egg, and cheese wraps, right? On the Blackstone. Think they'll be good? Well, I hope so. He also wants to cut one open and show you what the inside looks like. Isn't that right? So I tell you what, let's cut this one here open. You want to cut this one open? All right, let's do a fancy cut. What you think? I like that. Ooh, I hear that bacon crunching. I need a sharper knife. I don't know about you, buddy, but look at that. Y'all need to see this. Y'all look at them wraps we done made. Cut it open, and the guts started falling out. We kind of posed it for a picture, and some of the stuff started falling out. That's what you want, ain't it? Stuff to fall out of it. You want it in your mouth, though, right? Well, let's try these things out. What you think? Boy, you talk too much. All right, y'all. Y'all done seen it up close. You heard the man. He's ready to eat. So let's do this. Let's try it out. Boy, you got good taste. I like this. That sausage, that crispy bacon, that egg with that seasoning, cooked in the bacon and the sausage grease. Cheese, perfect. What you think?
It's bussin', no cap cheese.
Huh? Bussin', no cap cheese. Is that right? Okay, I guess. Does that mean good? Y'all ain't getting old. I have no clue if this is good or was it been good? Okay, well, he said it's good, so I tell you what, I'm going to finish the rest of this. What about you? You ain't waiting on me. Enjoyed it. Thank you, Bryson. A great deal. If y'all had anything you want to see us make, let us know in the comments. We got an email. We got all kind of ways, Facebook. We got all kind of ways to get in touch with us, and it's all down there in the description. One other thing I meant to mention is we have a recipe playlist down there in the description also. So if you're looking for a certain thing we made, be sure to check down there. If you don't see it, hey, let us know. We would love to try it. We love trying new things here, don't we? So with that being said, thank you for watching, and we got to finish this.